So I just received some HyperPro fork springs and a rear shock. I believe it's the 461 model. It has this remote hydraulic preload adjuster and this high and low speed compression damping. Also remote unit. I don't know, looks pretty good. So I'm going to do a video showing how we install it all. I guess starting with the shock, I think that's for me the easiest thing. So we'll start with doing that, and then I'll make another video with the forks. But it's all coming, and I'm pretty excited to see how this performs better than the stock shock that I've been using for maybe 5,000 miles or so. All right, so we're gonna try and upgrade the rear shock, starting by removing the old one. I think first things first, I'm going to try and ratchet up the wheel so I don't need to actually remove it. And then take some pressure off of it, and I'll be able to unscrew the old one, screw the new one in, and it should be easy as pie. So I removed the rear wheel and actually swing arm both so I could pop the shock out. I've forced the HyperPro shock in. Now I just have to sit it in the right way and put the swing arm back in correctly. Those are the first two things, I guess.